wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ. Come and shut up selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in the music club with another banger of people. You already know what time it is. Yo, that mafia. What's up, guys? How y'all doing, man? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're feeling blessed today. Cause we're back in the music club with what should be another banger. You know what I'm saying? This is an interesting collab. I didn't expect this one, and I thought they probably worked together already. I'm not sure. We gotta check that. But yeah, man. Very talented artist, very talented producer, very talented artist as well. Link up on the track, yeah, man. This is a dope collab. I'm interested to see what they did. You know what I'm saying? This is a dope collab. Because Rvssian, very creative producer and artist. Byron Messia, very talented, creative artist. You know what I'm saying? And that make hits. You know what I'm saying? So I'm excited to see them link up. You see me? They're two very good. Rvssian definitely one of the best producers ever to come out of Jamaica, and Byron Messia definitely turned out to be one of the best artists to both lately. So it's a very good look. So you know what I'm saying? Want to check it out and see what dog I'm gonna deal with. And this one is entitled Tropicana. That's what dog I'm gonna deal with today. On the one here, yeah man, Tropicana definitely sound interesting. Sound very summery, very islandy, very. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know, yeah, man, like some island type thing, some beach vibes me I get from this, some tropical thing. You know what I'm saying? Probably talk about girl, and girl, some girls in it somewhere, some fresh thing. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So I'm very interested. Should be a very nice track. Should be very. I'm hoping it's a hit. You know what I'm saying? Because, yeah. So we'll check it out and see what I want. But before we even do that and jump in the track, yo, that mafia, yo, gang. Yo, go ahead, hit that like button. You know what I'm saying? Help your boy out, help your boy grow. Oh, and if you're new to the channel, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button. You see me? Turn on the post notification bell. Just do the right thing. You don't know, live by the code. Code is life. You know what I'm saying? You're supposed to know the code already. And the code is, when you watch our video, you hit the like and subscribe button. That is the code around here. If you don't know, if you just a come in and I just learn the code around here, you see me? From your watch a video, hit the like and subscribe. That is the code. And you don't know, code is life. So just do the right thing, now, man. Come in, man. I'll give you a second. Do the right thing, man. Hit the like and subscribe button. You see me? I say, yeah, man. I'm going to jump right in that track right now. This is Rvssian and Byron Messia. Yeah, man. They want to call me a little off guard, but it's not too surprising that they're working together. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. I'll jump right in that track and see what dog man deal with Panda. One. This is Rvssian and Byron Messia. Tropicana. Let's get it. Okay, I did see the pictures of this on IG the other day. I even took a screenshot. I was going to post it on the community. Yeah, and I saw that. I was like, yo, they're linking up, but I didn't know what videos they're shooting for. So it's this one. Okay, dope, real dope. And so you hear the steel drums in the back? You know what I'm saying? The island steel drum, most iconic. I know most people know like Trinidad and Tobago for that, but that's also a Jamaican instrument as well. You know, so it's really a Caribbean instrument type shit element. Yeah, man, the steel drum, that sound bad. Big up Rvssian. Yeah, man.
AMG rolling up, everywhere we go, girl keep showing up. Be a liquor keep pouring up, and be a girl phoning up. Me just mix Louis V with the new Prada. Every girl say me sweet like Tropicana. Make the boy jump like.
Yo, bro. Yo, Black Cloud, Rvssian know to make them hits, bro. But the action give blood. Why Rvssian not try to take all the hits and for the artist them, my youth? But Rvssian is very, very creative, you know. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, but yo, and I like this man budget on his videos is be top notch. All at the good location and everything have this quality and production quality to them. You know what I'm That's how I always like. But yeah, man say, yo, me mix the Louis V with the Prada. Be a girl say me sweet like Tropicana. This song a bad song, but this I can get added to my playlist. Come here.
Go play upscotch, nothing in a clip, it go rat. Catch you up on the spot, you go rat-ta-ta. Papa got the chopper, I go pa. Girl like an amanta. I'm in a somebody better than that. You just act, them a pre non-stop. Girl, money can't stop.
Easy now, and girl, your body just at them a pre non-stop. You see me and your money can't come in now, come in
With
now.
the mirror backpack, you get a chop by a black. Brand new AK box full of shot, girls fancy a job. When the Russian and kids pull up in a drop top, so the party lit, have a new side bag with the 40.
Outside with the girl, them man, easy man. Yeah man, outside with the honey. This is definitely a summer song. You definitely should drop it much sooner, bro, because summer is always over now, you know.
Be a girl, see up and make a kid up, them want visit. Me ex-girl said that me a dog shit, but she still want the dog visit. Clock 40 trip.
The ex-girl said me a dog shit, but she still want the dog visit. All tier one, Clock 40 trip.
When man a pour shots on a clinic, you know she pussy when me stick it. Girl live whiter than boarding pass ticket. Straight USD, them a fill up my cargo. GST, DBO, Wells Fargo. Tell them black too.
Straight TDBOA, Wells Fargo, pan them. Man, now we don't squash on NCB, bro. You see me? We now go to SSL the bolt. I'm torn to be able to self.
Cause they like taco. Step in the twin turbo and a Prado. Girl, them want shots, pour any girl a act bad. My dog, them reach for the Glock. But I just champagne pop. When you just hot, them a pre non-stop. Tell the money can't stop. With the mirror.
I was in reach with the Glock, but I was be a champagne with pop over here. Cause when they're in the fighting and the fussing, dog. Enjoy and live life. Yo, I'm like this. Come in.
Backpack. You get a chop by a black. Brand new AK box full of shot. Girl fancy a job. When the Russian and kids pull up in a drop top.
Yeah, man. Tropicana. I'm like that one, man. Especially the opening, you know what I'm saying? It's a vibe, man. I like that one, man. Very, very tropical, very creative. It's a vibe, the energy, like, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, it's a vibe, bro. This will get out into my everyday playlist type shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Like, it's very creative, this is very marketable, very radio friendly. Get that commercial, very high production feel. I like it, man. Come on, yeah, man. This is a banger. It's a banger. It's cool.
Yo, I cannot believe these short.
Giving it an island feel at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, I like that one. Tropicana. Me mix the Louis V with the Prada. Yeah, that semi-sweet Tropicana. Yeah, man, I like it, bro. It's very creative. I told you, bro. Every time Rvssian come on a track, go on a track, bro, and he opens the hooks and like the verses that Rvssian be dropping is very like, you know what I'm saying? It's very like, what would I say? Like very marketable, commercial. Like he don't be. I want him talking bad man thing. He's not talking very grimy like he's a gangster. He's talking like, yo, I'm just a chill dude. But yeah, man, me still, you know, right there. Yeah, man. The way Rvssian is still, people sleep on Rvssian as an artist. No joke. People sleep on Rvssian as an artist. He's a very good producer. Don't get me that. People sleep on him as an artist, guys. He's a very good artist. If I check Rvssian track record, every song that this nigga been on or featured on, he killed that shit, and that track did very well. You know what I'm saying? Go check it from Straight Jeans and Fit. It comes straight up. You see me? Anytime this nigga does a collab or does a song, it's very good. The hooks and everything, like. You know what I'm saying? This nigga like a grown ass Justin Bieber type gangster type, but you know, like Edge, no this type shit. Like basically Jamaican. Well, I wouldn't want to say he's a Drake because he's not a consistent artist. But if Rvssian was more consistent, bro, yeah, man could do like numbers like Sean Paul and them niggas. You know what I'm saying? No joke. Yeah, man, he's very good artist, bro. Like all the production, man, they run everybody and he soaked up all of the blood clot. He soaked up all that creative from Cartel and Popcorn and Tamil and them, man. The man soaked up all that creativity, bro. Yeah, man, cause if you notice Rvssian, when he come with him hooks them, you know, he never dropping the same type of music. Like everybody on the chopper wave and the dark wave. You know what I'm saying? He's not on there. His thing is very like, yo, like, I don't know what to explain, like a grist pound type of very. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so Rvssian is a very good artist. People sleep on him, but big up Rvssian Byron Messia. That was a great track. That was into Tropicana. Guys, let me know what's your favorite part. Drop it in the comment section. You see me, let me know what your favorite part. If you like, you can show the artist and love and support. Make you know say Jambisco dan send you know. You see me, guys, and we there have a vibe. I grew up strong and everything, man. Real dope chat that. We are going vibe and enjoy the music. You see me, I hope you enjoy the videos and reaction, man. We doing our thing, gang. We growing. Road to 10K, road to 100K, road to 1 million in this motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I hope you enjoy the video. Let me know, man. I'm going to chop it up in the comment section. Let me know what I want to react to next time. I get them done too. You see me? Yeah, man. Don't know all about me. You know what I go on, man. Pan the ground, man. Guys. You see me? I said? Yeah, man. I don't know. Remember what I say? The code is over here. So when you watch a video, you like and you subscribe. That is the code over here. So and code is live. So stick to the code, man. Yeah, man. Stick to the code, man. Do the right thing, man. Hit the like and subscribe button. Turn me up, man. Come on. I deserve it. You enjoy the video. I know you enjoy the video. Because I'll be enjoying my video, bro. So hit the like and subscribe and turn your boy up, bro. Come part of the littest gang on YouTube. You see me road to 100K, road to 1 million. You don't know. Your boy Jambisco. Till next time. Take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm out.